never kill my vibe. But there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me and no go take shit. Vibe killer. If you get the walk, come on, pass it down. I go just better, come on, mind you got. I go just there, follow my lead. I'm feeling body all night. I'm fucking dynamite. After your condolence, you know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe.
Actually new, and so the white and then
Can't ball in a life, man.
got my house looking fresh, my package is ready.
Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force. Yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey to us to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall for my right hand. What's a ghost with the friends that they come to me? One time, sit down in a class and we work that. Only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it warmed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits I sing, yeah. Jimmy, all did you soon get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say I feel so down. Saw you post the spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your body and live, man. It's me, I feel like God for the journey to just be the plus. But gratitude is a must. Yeah, listen, this is all for my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they come to me? Road one time, sit down in a class and we work that. Only sit the road and me go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And send me to tell you my story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm here giving the talk to me. I'm in the light. You know some person ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey to just to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall for my right hand. What's a ghost with the friends but they come to me load one time. Sit down in a class and we board that. Only sit the road and me go on with the road. To us.
full of gun like Remington. Fully charged up, he got fi kill a man. I have the gang fi me gang. Pussy run up if you bad. Kryptonite coming out of the muscle fighting at the middle of the night to make the place getting noisy. You never know, see a little juvenile coulda run in your yard and take a 3 pints. Babylon, Panellian in the street, and the main and the bucky man had Jesus Christ. I make him run, I make him up, and if he's living like small, you dash him up, no one can find this. You must see, and I 17, I jump in there. 45, the car did not miss. The thing that most shit, I'm a gun, them last dick, trouble, trouble, them sick. Coming up to the door, them up in there. 45, the car did not miss. The thing that most shit, I'm a gun, them last dick. Why do I tell them get the tongue cooked up? Every gun's up, every killer mass up. Mass up upon them in sport, does a clot up. Does a man up, dead the way I feel my lips up. No, so you must mad, my killer them no works up. Man, I see my job food too well stocked up. And now I be gun for anything start up. Fully lock, fully charged and fully carb up. You must be sick. And I 17, I jump in at this 45, take me caught it, now miss. Me think the most swift, me gun them now stick. Every cover them sick. Miss me, coming up kill two of them up in a this 45, take me caught it, now miss. Me think the most swift, me gun them now stick. Intellectual murder people edition. A campfire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up, big up a killer man. Ratty gang for me gang, pussy run up in your man. We make you a man up, body a fish up. And heart attack, in a head back. Like sponge up, put the rest back. Mother belly company when me let me stamp. How you know about gunmanship? Gonna feel it from them started. Babylon, Spain town in the frying for gun for medicine and your mammals. How you know about gunmanship? Gonna feel it from them started. Babylon, Spain town in the frying for gun for medicine and your mammals. You must be sick. And I 17, I jump in at this 45, take me caught it, now miss. Me think the most swift, me gun them now stick. Every copy them sick. Miss me, coming up hill, two of them up in a this 45, take me caught it, now miss. Me think the most swift, me gun them now stick. Rock, Spanish town, Babylon, Klepto, Uptown, Gunsmith, no.
Original, girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular, regular. No. Make it for real, I'm pretty on my cellular. No. You won't say it hot. No.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama, unless you come here with the commas. Or DJ turning the sound up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new, hi, my name is Faith. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a maintenance vlog. As you guys can see, the vlog is already started. I tried to vlog when I was going to do my lashes, but I was very late to the lash appointment, so I had to like rush quick. I didn't get enough clips of the lash appointment, and I wasn't also quite sure how to like film the whole entire lash appointment. So yeah, there goes that, I guess. Now I wanted to show you guys how I got my hair done. I literally am doing everything at home besides the lashes. I feel like I can pretty much do everything by myself. If honestly there was a way that I could do the individual lashes by myself without closing my eyes, I would literally do them, but I can't. So that's why we had to go to the salon to do that. So I'm gonna be doing my toenails, I'm gonna do my nails. I'm trying so much not to do like a French, because I'm always doing French on my nails every single time that I make my nails by myself, because like I feel like it's the easiest things for me to do. Like I can't do my nails with my left, with my right. I don't know, I'm right-handed, so I can do my left hand, but I can't do my right hand with my left hand. Yeah, I think that makes sense. So obviously maybe the design on the right hand is gonna look more nicer. I can already feel it. But yeah, I'm trying to do something along the lines of like the burgundy trend that's been going around. I'm not quite sure though, like if they're gonna look nice on my hands, because I feel like darker colors just don't do it for me personally. But yeah, I'm really trying so much to like step out of my comfort zone and do things like literally just get more styles and like do things that are different from like French, like the regular basic white French. So yeah, I'm gonna do my toenails as well, guys. they look hideous. Like, I have not done my toenails in a very long time, and it's so crazy because like I literally have the equipment right in my house, so why can't I just do them? It's just me being lazy, which is not a good thing. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the whole process. I really do hope I finish everything by today because I really want to try and be as consistent as possible. So make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Always comment. Like, guys, talk to me in the comments down below. Like, tell me what videos you want to see more, like me posting. Do you want me to see, like, to do like hair videos? I feel like I can do hair, guys, because like look at the lace. I feel like I laid this down. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go finish up with this whole maintenance routine, and I do hope you guys love it, and if you do, don't forget to let me know. So let's go get our nails done.
Listen to me, I put some carrots in your head. Make this stitch up, I want to in the room. Wanna give the I serve it like a dealer. You been out there, I'm digging in the middle. I'm back at your word, it can feel no better. Look every picture up, Polaroid. Shit tough, you know what? If the street feeling like sirloin. Told the chauffeur, take a shit, she not stop. Never play with you, be a war.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur, so that's how I get around the world. Just mess me with the drama, unless you got me with the commas. Or DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. Jump, 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 jump. Well, you know what I'm to make it jump, 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 pick it up, up. You know what I'm to make it jump, 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 jump. Well, you know what I'm to make it jump, 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 pick it up, up.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see by your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to touch it up though. And I know, you know. You want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a jazz and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird Versace. Back it up high, you look like your body died me. Oh God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight like anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 How you want to run like a nothing? I think that's on me and have my head stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cash. Cause who went to just say yes and never go nowhere. Yeah. I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have heard no, you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, yeah. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and need. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man. I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded.